Thank you for joining us today at the Gold Coast Plastic Surgery Podcast. I'm Dr. Mark Doyle, specialist plastic surgeon of 30 years, and today I'm introducing Elena, a friend of mine. Together we'll be talking about all things plastic surgery.
Mark, I've heard the term deviated septum quite a few times online.
Yes.
How do I know if I have one?
Most people will have a septum, and a septum is a piece of cartilage that runs straight up and down the nose. So it turns the nose, which would be in one big cavity, into two separate cavities. A deviated septum means it's crooked. It can be crooked at the front of the nose, in which case you'll see a curve in the nose, so that people with crooked noses often have a deviated septum, or it can be at the back of the nose, or it can be anywhere. It can be a mixture of both. So the way of working out whether your septum is deviated is have a look at yourself, number one. If the nose is straight, then the front part of the septum should be okay. You can't tell the back of the septum whether it's deviated or not without doing a simple test, and the test is very simple. Breathe, block one nostril, breathe in and out. That works okay. Do the other side and out. If you can breathe properly through both nostrils, problem is not a deviated septum. If you get blockage on one side or the other, then that will be the septum that was most likely causing the problem. And that can be corrected by itself, or it can be corrected using doing that plus a cosmetic procedure to the outside of the nose if necessary, if the septum is crooked. Obviously, doing a test like this at home is one thing. Actually getting it done by a professional in the office is another. I would suggest that if you have concerns that you come to the office and we do a proper examination. This can be done either by myself. We have a ENT surgeon in the office also, Dr. Clyde. Either one of us could check your septum and your breathing and then give you some advice as to what the best way to manage that is. If you want more information, please have a look at our blog on goldcoastplasticsurgery.com.au.
Thank you for joining us on the Gold Coast Plastic Surgery Podcast. If you have any questions about anything Mark has spoken about today, please look on our website or call our inquiries team, who will be happy to help.